Hello, mommy! So, I'm with Avery, my baby. So, ayan. Mga mommies, I just want to share something. Before talaga, ayoko muna siya, like, lagyan ng any cologne or pabango kasi sa tingin ko parang super baby na pa for that. Pero I saw this Mousse Gear baby cologne and it's super gentle. Ayan. Tapos mga mommies, it's really affordable. And ayan nga, it's a new product of them. Kaya, ayun, sabi ko, sige nga, i-try ko siya. So, baka pwede ko na or mag-start na ako mag-put ng cologne sa aking baby. So, ayan, o, diba? Curious siya. Okay. Go. Go. Hold. Hold the cologne. You want a cologne? Oh, she want it. 60 ml. So, we're going to put it to her. Yun. Oh, grabe. Sobrang bango talaga neto. And mommies, hindi siya masakit sa ilong ha. And super good siya for our babies. Gentle lang siya. Hindi siya nakakaano, yung parang nakakasunok. Ganun. So, mommies, if you want to try it sa mga babies nyo, I'll put na lang yung link sa basket. Ayun lang. Mommies, wear. Sobrang bango niya, pero gentle lang. And it's very safe for our babies. So, ayun lang. Say bye, mommies. Bye, mommies.